Come on, y'all.
Oh, Corbin. Let's go.
Music, and you know we up front. I see you whining and grinding up on the floor. I know you see me looking at you, and you already know I wanna love you. You already know I wanna love you, and you know we up front. I see you whining and grinding up on the floor.
Alright guys, so I have a shoot tomorrow and it will be in Florida, and for this shoot they want me to have braids. So I literally left my photo shoot, finished doing, I'll have to check my email, finished making a reel for a company, and right after that came here to get my hair done because it needs to be done. And my allergies are killing me, like horribly. But yeah, the things that we go through for photo shoots. See if I can do a reel. Let me see. I'm just gonna record. Alright guys, so I made it to Key West, Florida. That is where we're having our shoot today. This is my braids, how it ended up finishing off. I'm gonna add a little bit of edges. My allergies is still kicking my ass, so my nose is a little runny, which is kind of embarrassing because I don't want people to feel like, you know, I got a cold or anything. You know, with COVID, it's like you can't have nothing. You can't have no allergies. You can't have anything because else everybody gonna look at you like you got something. But I took some Allegra, which is helping with like my sneezing and stuff, but I still have a runny nose. Yesterday I had like a stuffy nose. It was just horrible. But I had to go home. Oh my god, you guys, I almost missed my flight. Let's start with that. I almost missed my flight because I had to finish doing these dang beads. These beads took forever to find, one, and surprisingly I found them in a 99-cent store, and even the 99-cent store by my house had them as well, but it just took forever to find these like brown beads. And just trying to like make sure, as you can see, it's kind of lopsided because this one is shorter than this one, and such is life. I'm not changing it or anything like that. I'll just bring some over onto this side, whatever. But it took forever to get these done, and then I had to like run around, get my COVID test, do so many things, and then by the time I finished doing all of that, it was like basically like 12:40, and there's so much traffic by my house. I ended up getting to the airport closer to 2 o'clock, shy for 2 o'clock. The TSA took forever to get me through. They scanned my sneakers twice. It was horrible. I hated it. And on top of that, I freaking left my makeup bag that I have with like my little concealers just to kind of like, you know, spot conceal because it's a skincare shoot. So, you know, if you guys didn't know, whenever people do skincare shoots, 9 times out of 10, it is the person has makeup on, okay? They always have makeup on. It's just a very light makeup. So even with people like Alicia Keys, who loves to be like, oh, I don't wear any makeup or whatever, bro, nobody's skin has like nothing on it. You know what I'm saying? Like there's always some type of imperfection that's gonna kind of show that it is, you know, their skin, you know, like that is their natural skin. There's like a type of discoloration or something. But then there are people who are also blessed. But from what I've seen, whenever I see this girl, what's her name, Alicia Keys, out and about, she be wearing makeup. It's just a very light amount of makeup. So I'm about to show you guys how I'm about to do this very light amount of makeup. I'm gonna take, I left it, but there's a girl here, BC, who had some makeup, extra makeup, so I'm going to go ahead and use the Cinema Secrets like, ooh, it's a foundation pro thing. My nail just got so in it. I hate that for me. But yeah, I'm just gonna take some of this and I'm just gonna spot conceal in certain areas, and that's just like under my eyes. And you just really want to like just lightly blend that in. You don't want to do too much. You don't even want people to know that you have makeup on. I love doing this like when I'm on vacation. I usually use the Fenty Beauty what is it called, concealer, just because that one is like more mattifying, like it dries down matte, so it doesn't really show too much on my skin. That was a little dark. Let me not do that because that kind of looks weird. So it doesn't show too much. It doesn't get oily or anything like that. But yeah, I love doing like a spot conceal type of makeup. A little bit of eyeliner, a little bit of concealer, not too much. Just enough to just make your eyes pop and look awake. You guys probably can't even really see because of the angle of this camera right now, but it just looks so much better in person. The freaking Anastasia brow freeze that I have would have been perfect for this, and I cannot believe that I left my damn makeup bag. Like, what is wrong with me? A lot, Fanta. That's what's wrong with you. A lot. Like, I feel like as of late, no matter where I go, like if I'm flying, I run late. It's like usually I always pack the night before, but I'm just thinking like, oh, I'm not gonna pack that much things or anything like that. Like, I'm just gonna go for work and that's it. Y'all, everybody in here got dresses for dinner, bathing suits, everything. I don't got nothing, bro, nothing. I'm like, dang, I didn't want to do too much, but I forgot to go with people that I'm going with, you know, because we've all like kind of shot with each other before. It's just like, bro, like I should have known and I didn't, and that's my fault. It ain't nobody's fault but my own. I'm gonna take some powder. What is it called? It's called Tower. It's my first time using this stuff. I'm gonna just take a little bit of this and just put this on my cheeks. Damn, and I have my bronzer. My bronzer gave me a nice little glow. Ugh, it's whatever. You guys! Look who it is! I don't even think they've seen you since like 2017 or something. Really? Literally. Oh my God, Mo just went missing. This is Vicky.
I was sitting there the whole time.
Yeah. We're shooting now.
Be strong, my.
I'm not gonna tell you guys anything.
I'm from the Bronx. I got you.
I got you. We built different. We built different from the Bronx.
You would think so.
Oh man. But this is how it came out. That's it. She went straight into it.
Come on, y'all.
Oh, Corbett. Let's go. Corbett. I'm dying.
Not that kind of party pooper. But
Good morning, y'all. So, I am finishing up getting ready so I could do some breakfast. Today is day 2 of our shoot. I am not going to tell you guys, I think I told you guys this yesterday, but I'm not going to tell you guys exactly who the shoot is for or too much of the behind the scenes, just because it kind of goes against like confidentiality. Oh no, I'm doing way too much. Like, come on, get it together. Yeah, so yeah, confidentiality. So I just don't want to, you know, I don't think we can't, but I just feel like it's better if I don't. So yeah. Yeah, I'm like super excited. We're leaving today as well. So everybody was up at like 6 o'clock in the morning. That was not me. I'm sorry. That's not my body. I cannot I cannot be up at no 6 o'clock in the morning. Like, I'm sorry. Like, we didn't even go to bed until like towards 11 o'clock. And you guys know, like, well, you guys probably don't know, but I've been working nonstop this last week. And then my one day that I had off, I still had to work. So, well, I still had to do something. So, to be honest, I haven't really had a day off. So, I need to sleep. And I've been sleeping like 4 hours out of the day. So, I'm just not it. So, I pushed it to the very last minute. I don't really take that long to eat or anything like that. And I know that we don't have to do much to get ready. So, I took advantage of that. And that's just that on that. Alright, that's good enough for me. Let me get out the door. Let me get out the door, okay? My allergies. Oh, child, this morning actually it hasn't been that bad over here, but it's just like this morning has just not been it. So let me hurry up and go down because I've been telling these people I'm gonna go down for the past like 15 minutes. We're staying out. I don't even know what the hell this place is called. But let me tell y'all something. It is barely any melanin skinned people around here. Let me tell y'all that much, okay? So if you plan on coming here, just know. Just know. Like just yesterday we was out with somebody. Which pool are they by? They said they're on the side of the pool. So I forgot what I was saying. But yeah, if you plan on doing that, just know. They have to be over here.
You got booty.
Thank you.
I love it.
Thank you.
Yeah, me too.
The
word sponsor means booty.
The word contract.
It's the hips and the butt.
Yeah, it's bold.
Go over
There you
there.
go, babe.
Both hands.
Oh, got it. You said I'm both handed? I cannot with you. Good morning, people. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning.
You a vlogger?
Yeah.
Outside, baby. We outside. Don't ask us where we at,
Hello.
because we outside.
Hello. Let them know. Okay, wait, which one? Is this one right? No, this is this. Yeah, I don't know about nude. Like,
How about implied?
in black? What do you mean?
Implied.
Implied, what's implied? I could do that.
Like you're showing stuff, but you're actually like
Covering.
using your body to cover.
Okay. It's really out of my comfort zone. Like very out of my comfort zone.
What happened?
I'm shooting nude.
Oh yeah, I wasn't doing it.
Yeah, I'm very out of my. Like
So
even
then say that.
when I shoot with them, like if there's like bodysuits that's thongs and stuff, I don't shoot it.
Really?
Yeah,
I'll do those. My
No.
ass is always out anyways.
I don't.
But nude is like, no.
But you do like bikinis and stuff. Like,
I just
don't do
started
that.
doing lingerie now.
I don't do that. Good morning.
How'd you sleep?
I smell. Smelled. I slept.
You smell good.
Thank you. Amazing. Amazing.
These are comfy.
All right. Say good morning.
Good morning.
I didn't do my edges. I should have done my edges because it's a mess.
How are you gonna do your edges?
I
you're
have,
gonna, do that?
edge thing. You know?
I should have got an apple juice. Like,
Did they put the?
no, it's in the bag.
Oh,
Oh God, you're dying.
oh, that was disgusting.
You want an orange juice?
Give them. Yeah. Don't get her business.
cheekbones for me.
Baby. Yeah, baby.
I haven't got it in like a year, but I'm planning on getting it again.
We're at our second location. Miss Mo. She's stressed, but she's trying not to look stressed. That's why you love her. Love her energy. Love her energy.
You killed that. Everything. You killed that. Bam.
Creative director.
Oh yeah?
You know. Y'all too. Masterminds. Masterminds. For everyone who thinks that modeling or photography is easy, you guys don't even understand. We're in the rain.
I'm in the rain.
Okay? And we're getting a shot done. It is not easy. Okay? It's not all fun and games. Let me tell you. It's okay. It's fine. Okay. You're not worse than my other friends, because whew, they done seen it all. Y'all need to bully Vicky into posting her YouTube videos because sis thinks that it's too difficult.
It's
but
too
it's
much
not.
work.
Can
I
y'all
see
please,
y'all on Fonta's page.
girl, get it together. Tell her to edit her YouTube video. I want y'all to go under her comments and tell her to edit her YouTube videos. They're gonna bombard you until you do. Come on. Guys, we're out of here. We are flying out as quickly as we came in. I said we're flying out as quickly as we came in. Like we're out of here.
Right back home.
Right back to the city.
Right back home.
I was just chilling. I didn't even take a nap. I was about to eat until Vicky texted me like, hey, we're leaving in 10 minutes. I'm like, wait, what? I thought we said 5:30.
It's 5:25.
Yeah.
I said what I said. Oh. Yes,
We should totally risk it.
I just feel like the airport is so small.
No,
it's
yeah,
not
for
even
sure.
anything that we have to go through. Like we're gonna be in and right at our gate in like 5 minutes. We're back home, you guys. New York City. We made it back. We made it back. We made it back. Are you in the
back.
camera? Yes, you are.
We back.